Okay, we're gonna use some of the information from our website, Missouri Botanical Gardens, and we're going to fill out this graphic organizer. It's called our Connecting Concepts Organizer. We're going to be doing some generalizing so that we can record this stuff and then write a little bit about it afterwards. Do you have any questions? Okay. So if we were doing this as a whole class, I would split up everybody into groups and give each group their own biome. But for the purposes of this lesson, we're going to be a group and we're going to fill out this organizer, and then you can write a little bit about it. So with that in mind, the biome that we have for our group is what?
Rainforest.
Okay. So where, if we look at this chart, where would we put that? Not at the top, but
right here in our biome section.
Our biome. Yep. Okay, so go ahead and write in that's the rainforest. You normally would probably be doing this with a partner or a group, so we're going to be looking for these concepts. Action needed to protect the biome, how humans are involved, facts about destruction or endangerment within the biome, a fact about destruction or endangerment within the biome. So we have two branching off from our main topic. We have those two. And then for that topic, we'll again have how humans are involved and action needed to protect the biome. So we're looking at the rainforest. We're looking for two facts about the destruction of the rainforest within the biome, how humans are involved, and action needed to protect the biome. Okay, so which menu item there do you think would give us more information about the rainforests being endangered?
Rainforest endangered.
All right.
Can I read that aloud?
If you want to read it aloud, like you might read that aloud in your group, so go ahead and read it aloud to me.
Today, only about 3% of original temperate rainforests in the USA remains, mostly inside Olympic National Park in Washington State. Prior to the arrival of homesteaders just over a century ago, the Olympic Peninsula contained more than 1 million acres of old-growth spruce and hemlock. Because of habitat destruction, many plants and animals have become island dwellers inside the park now. Tropical rainforests comprise only 40% of the world's tropical rainforests and only 20% of the world's total forest. They cover 6 to 7% of the Earth's land surface. Half of the world's plants and animal species live in the tropical rainforests of the world. 30 acres of tree are cut in the tropical rainforest every minute. As you read this, tropical rainforests are shrinking. Each second a portion of a rainforest the size of a football field is destroyed or damaged.
What can you do? Okay, so a fact about destruction or endangerment within the biome.
They only cover 6 to 7% of the Earth's land surface.
Okay, so a fact about destruction or endangerment within the biome.
As you read this, tropical rainforests are shrinking. Each second, a portion of rainforest the size of a football field is destroyed or damaged.
Well, if you go back to the first paragraph, today only about
3% of the original temperate rainforest in the USA remains.
Now that is would that be a fact about destruction or endangerment?
Yes.
Either that, okay. So would you want to would you want to use that as one of your facts?
Yes.
So we're talking about facts directly related to the endangerment, destruction, or endangerment within the biome, right?
Yeah.
If you made a mistake and your eraser's gone, just cross out the mistake. And you don't have to write like a whole paragraph, just this, that one fact. Okay, so how were humans involved in that destruction? If you look back to your text.
Prior to the arrival of homesteaders just over a century ago,
so humans are involved because of they're talking about the arrival of homesteaders just over a century ago. That's what I would write in the triangle. Okay, so what action is needed to protect the biome?
Well, we need to stop cutting down so many trees.
Okay. So, there is a little section called "What can you do to help save the tropical rainforest?" That might give us more information too. Okay. So this says preserving tropical rainforest involves more than just deciding not to cut trees. So you could stop cutting down tropical trees and tropical rainforests as one of your things, and then maybe we can investigate that for our other action.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. So you had a good idea the first time, so. I did navigate this website earlier, but I feel like if it was up on a smart board, I wouldn't be so, I wouldn't have such a hard time